back to your girl Brittany. Thanks so much. Welcome to BB's Crafts, and I am doing the unboxing for the new Fairytale Club collection, and I am so excited. And this is called the Crafty Fairytale Getaway. And if you have not tuned in to Instagram and all the projects that have been going on with the Crafty Fairytale Getaway, it is a month-long thing in May with different stuff every single day, interactions, there's make and takes, there's live crops, they're like, you know, virtually. It's so much fun, and I'll have a link to that down below, so then that way if you still want to sign up, because you still have time to sign up, it's throughout the whole entire month of May, you can go ahead and do that. But I had just received all my stuff, and first off, look at this. So this is for an album, to make an album. And like, this is so stinking cute. Like, look at that spine and binding there. And then it has the cutout of the castle there. And it has the little 6-ring prong for the binding system. And so this is so stinking cute. So I can't wait to go ahead and get this set up. I'll probably do a craft with me on that, or I don't know, maybe a live video. I have no idea yet. But before we dig into the paper, let's look at all the fun goodies. And here is a sequins mix that is provided. Very pretty with the flowers. We have some pink hearts. We have the blue hues and pinks and iridescence. So very, very pretty. And then here we have the sticker sheet. It says Magic Fairytale. Oh boy. Magic mice, you're my favorite. Reach for the sky and follow your dreams. Hold on to your churro. Hold on to your Dole Whip. Hold on to your Mickey bar. And then we have like Donald Duck and Daisy. And we have Mickey and Minnie, and then we have Tinkerbell, and we have just like some fun little added pieces to it, like the little ice cream cone with the little Mickey ears. It says Crafty up there. This is so, and Miska Muska. This is so super cute. And then here we have some acrylic shapes. So this tells you how many you get. You get 24 pieces, 2 of each style, and we get 4 different colors. So we have a pretty silver glitter sparkle, then we have pink, black, and then the blue. Well, it's more of a mint. And we take a little bit of a closer look at these. Like, look at how adorable these are. Like, look at them. These are so cute. I just love these. I wish I had one of those little drills that I can add them onto dangles. But look at how cute those are. So, oops. So those are here are some big die cut pieces. So we have the ice cream cone with the Mickey ears. And then we have this really pretty castle. Look how cute that is. And then look at this one here. It's like a little fun land. How adorable. I love these. These are so cute. And then we also have some glitter chipboard stickers. We have them in 2 different colors. We have the glittery silver and then the glittery blue. And I want to say, do they say the same thing? I don't think they do. So this one says Adventure, Frontier, Happy, My Place, Fairytale, and then you have all your alphas. We have the Mickey ears, a crown, star, and a heart. And then over here it says Fantasy, Getaway, Tomorrow, Crafty, Fun and Magical, and then again we have the alpha. And this might be foam. Yeah, this is foam letters. I thought it was chipboard. So we have like the little foam letters we get there. And then going on to the Ephemera Pack. Well, actually here, we'll do the decorative paper clips. So these are acrylic pieces as well. But we have the mint heart, pink and yellow. And then we have a glitter heart, glitter silver, and then the purple, and then we have the little Mickey ears in the silver, black, and pink. Those are too cute. I just love how colorful it is. So it comes with 8 pieces, and then here's the Ephemera Pack, and it comes with 62 pieces, and it have like Magic, Happy, Fairytale. Looks like we have Bambi, we have Tinkerbell, we have the little cat. Oh, which movie is that again? Ooh, what? I'm drawing a blank. Oh my gosh, drawing a blank. And then we have like the little Mickey Dilly bar. Look how cute. That is too cute. And then we have little scissors. We have Daisy here. We have Mickey ears. And then we also have Mickey himself. We have Minnie, Tinkerbell. We have the cute little flower. I think that's from Alice in Wonderland. And then we have the Dalmatian dog. We have the little apple here. The Mickey ears. We got Bambi. The little ice cream cone. Then look at, these are so stinking cute. I love these. How cute are those? And then we have Pooh. We have some balloons. We have some more flowers and a cute little camera. And then we have like the little sun here. We have Dumbo, and then we have a little castle, and then we have like little people who are going on their little fairy tale adventure. And again, I already read what the letters were. And then we have this one. This is too cute. This says P is for princess, and so that one's stuck on there. So we have Princess Tiana, Snow White, and who is that one? I have no idea. Why am I drawing a blank on who that one is? But this is just so stinking cute. I'll put those away later here. That'll take me forever. Alright, so on to the actual paper collection itself. Alright, so starting off here, we have this one. This is specialty paper that's wondrous and small. So it's like all the fun characters. We have Tinker, we have Mary Poppins, and we just have people like flying up in the sky here. This little fun land. This is so adorable. And then we flip it over, and this really pretty white and black polka dot page here. And then next we have the Fairytale favorites, this little cut apart page. And so we have like Dumbo, it says wonder, dream, magical, imagine, create, and fairytale. You're my favorite. And then we have some people who are going on the getaway. And we have like Snow White right there. And then we flip this side over and look at, this is so fun. So we have like the little Mickey ears and the heart, and it's black and white. I'm really liking this black and white that's added to it. And then we have the magical moment. So here's another cut apart piece. And these are pretty much all the pieces that we saw in the ephemera. And then we flip it over. It's just too cute. The little Mickey and the little polka dots going all across it on the pretty blue color. And then here we have the pink stars and the yellow balls. And this is called Reach for the Sky. And then we flip this over and we have a bunch of frame cut aparts. So it'll be good for like the album. And then here it says Crafty Fairytale Getaway. So this is just a whole collage of everything that she pretty much created in the collection with the fairytale princesses and the getaway and the characters and the castle. And then the fun like words and sayings, happy scrapping, frontier. We have like the teapots and teacups. We flip that over and we have these really pretty flowers. Look how cute that is. And then this next one here, it says Wonderland of Possibility. We have the pretty flowers and the little bumblebees and ladybugs and butterflies. My favorite. And we flip that over. This has to be one of my favorite pages with the just like the pink background and the fun Mickey ears. How so too cute. And then here we have Princess Promenade, and we have like all of her famous Disney princesses, so like Jasmine or Rapunzel, Moana, and so on and so forth. And then we flip that over and we have these cute little apples, like, you know, like the sour apples from Snow White. And then we said this one is just add pixie dust, and it's Tinkerbell going all across. and flip that over in the fun watercolor brushing with the hearts there. And then it says like a tea tray in the sky. This is so cute. I love this one too. And then we flip that over, and here's that one that is so super cute. And then here we have Magical Menagerie. Am I saying that right? Menagerie? Yeah, I think so. Maybe. So, we have like the bunnies, we have Pooh, Dumbo, and everyone all throughout this page. And then we flip this over, and we have this fun graphics or fun design going on here. One's super cute. And this one says Magic Mice. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness, this is my other favorite page. And then we flip that over, and we have another fun design going on here. Kind of like a magical illusion. And then this is my other favorite page. It's Miska Muska Mickey Mouse. That's so pretty. I love it. And then here is all the ladies going on to their Crafty Fairytale Getaway. And then this one is called This Place. This Place. So we have Disland, Dis World, Parks, Fairy, Magic, Fairytale, so on and so forth. And then we flip her over, and then we just have like some fun watercolor brush strokes going across. And then lastly we have The Happiest. And we had the fun Fairytale castles, and it says Fairytale XOXO, hello. This is another one of my favorite ones. It's just so cute. And then we have the really pretty sparkles and twinkles on this page here. So super excited. I cannot wait to go ahead and bring some projects in for you guys and share those with you. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go check it out there, because those are shared through the Fairytale Club as well. And I'll have their Instagram linked down below. So thank you so much, Andrea and Ryan. Andrea worked really hard to get this through. Mandy, who's also hosting the Crafty Fairytale Getaway, and she is the Pink Crafty Cottage. So I'll have her link down below as well. So make sure you go ahead and check them out, and check out that link if you still want to participate in the Crafty Fairytale Getaway. But thanks so much, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye!